कर ना
हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम अगेन. गुड इव्हनिंग, सत श्री अकाल, सलाम, नमस्ते तुम्हा सगळ्यांना. आमचा म्हणजे लालित्य क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट पुन्हा एकदा सादर करतोय. कालच्या नंतर आज आता पुन्हा ज्याची मेन कॉन्सेप्ट होती लालित्य क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट, तर लालित्यचाच आपला होस्ट आहे आणि वी होप तुम्हाला खूप मजा येणार आहे. चला तर मग कोरोनाच्या सुट्टीतला वेळ कारणी लावूया आणि आपली बुद्धी ज्ञान वाढवूयात हसत खेळत. लालित्य क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट.
Greetings, everyone, and it is so good to be back up here because the tension and the excitement down at the seat is wonderful, which I had the experience for the past 2 days. Now, before we start, a very important instruction for you: do wash your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds. Remember, soap is the best option. If you don't have soap available, do use something like a sanitizer. So, yeah, now let us get into the show. So, we will be having 6 rounds, and I will ask you a question. You have to give me the answer. The particular instructions I will tell you before the round begins. So, let us start round 1. Take your pick. I will ask you a question. Each participant will face 3 questions. The first question will have 3 options. Second question will have 4 options. And the third question will have 5 options. In all 3 cases, only one will be the correct answer. Your job or the participant's job is to tell me which is the correct answer. So, who should we begin with?
ladies first.
Yeah, sure. Now, should we begin?
Yes.
Have you understood the instructions?
By all means.
Good. According to Hindu mythology, which snake killed Parikshit? हिंदू पौराणिक कथानुसार परीक्षितला कोणत्या सापाने मारलं? कालिया?
तक्षक.
Yes, Takshak is the right answer. But it would be much better if you wait for me to finish the question. But anyways, that was an excellent answer. Second question. Who wrote the science fiction classic Rendezvous with Ram? Rendezvous with Ram हे सायन्स फिक्शन पुस्तक कोणी लिहिलं? आर्थर सी क्लार्क, रे ब्रॅडबरी, H.G. Wells, S.M. Lloyd.
It's first.
Arthur C. Clarke.
Arthur C. Clarke.
Do you know about this?
I heard actually little about it.
Okay. Do you have any idea?
No.
Well, Arthur C. Clarke is the correct answer.
Thank you.
And your last question. 15th August 2005 marked the 30th anniversary of which film? 15 ऑगस्ट 2005 ही कोणत्या सिनेमाची 30वी सालगिरा होती?
वाढदिवस.
दीवार, मुगले आजम, आनंद, शोले, गोलमाल.
15 ऑगस्ट 2005 ही 30वी सालगिरा. रिपीट ऑप्शन.
दीवार, मुगले आजम, आनंद, शोले, गोलमाल.
30 ना. आनंद.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What do you think?
I think it's Sholay.
You are absolutely correct. It is Sholay. Sholay was released on 15th of August 1975.
75 आणि 2005 30 होता.
Yes. So, Sholay would have been the right answer. You don't
Ramesh
get any points
Sippy.
for that. No problem. Let us now have Sudhanva with us.
Yes.
Okay. Your first question. In which city would you find the mausoleum of Arjumand Banu Begum? Arjumand Banu Begumचा मकबरा कुठे आहे? दिल्ली, आग्रा, औरंगाबाद.
Aurangabad.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What do you think?
औरंगाबाद.
No, it's Agra. Arjuman Banu Begum is Mumtaz Mahal.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Oh.
That was her real name. So it was a rather trick question. So the mausoleum is Taj Mahal as we know it all today. So you don't get points for that. No problem, you still have 2 more questions to go. What is described in the Oxford Dictionary as an Indian sweet which is made by a mixture of flour, sugar, and shortening, which is shaped into a ball? Should I repeat it?
No.
Options: Rasgulla, Laddu, Peda, Balushahi.
Rasgulla.
What do you think?
Repeat the question.
What is described in Oxford Dictionary as Indian sweet, which is made with a mixture of flour, sugar, and shortening, shaped into a ball?
Flour, sugar and gulab jamun.
No, there was no option. Gulab jamun,
Okay.
Rasgulla, Laddu, Peda, Balushahi.
Now I know it.
No, now you cannot change it.
Laddu.
Yes, Laddu would have been the right answer. So you don't get points for that. Here's your last chance to get 5 points. By the way, if I forgot to tell you, each question in round 1 carries 5 points. So there are 15 points at stake.
Okay.
So, the name of which city comes from 2 words meaning market for areca nut in local language? Areca nut is supari.
Okay.
Guwahati, Itanagar, Kohima, Shillong, Mizoram.
Guwahati.
Are you sure?
No, it's a guess.
Yes. What do you think?
Guwahati.
Guwahati is the correct answer. Gua means areca nut or betel nut. And hat means bazaar. So Guwahati becomes a marketplace for areca nut. So you do get points for that. And that is the end of round 1. Now, yeah. Now let us have a round 2. What is the question? I will give you the answer and you have to give me the question. So it's vice versa. Now, are you ready? There are 10 points for each question. So there are 30 points at stake. So let us start with you.
Yes.
This fictional character is played by Sean Connery, David Niven, George Lazenby and Roger Moore on screen. पडद्यावरती ह्या काल्पनिक चरित्र शॉन कॉनेरी, डेव्हिड निवन, जॉर्ज लॅझनबी आणि रॉजर मूर यांनी केलेलं आहे.
Who plays sorry. Who plays role in movie Godfather?
No, you didn't get the question. This fictional character.
Fictional character. Okay. Means this is fantasy.
No, this is a fictional character which is played by Sean Connery, David Niven, George Lazenby.
मराठीतून सांग ना.
म्हणजे पडद्यावरती ह्या काल्पनिक चित्राचं काम शॉन कॉनेरी, डेव्हिड निवन, जॉर्ज लेझनबी आणि रॉजर मूर ह्या लोकांनी केलंय.
कार्टून आहे का पण म्हणजे आहे का ते?
नाही, फिक्शनल कॅरेक्टर, काल्पनिक चरित्र.
म्हणजे तो काय सिनेमा आहे काय?
सिनेमाच आहे.
सिनेमामध्ये या काल्पनिक चरित्राचं काम ह्या लोकांनी केलेलं आहे.
जसं आनंद हे फिक्शनल कॅरेक्टर
हा ओके फेस ऑफ हु प्ले रोल इन
नो
यू
हॅव एनी आयडिया?
या हू प्लेड जेम्स बॉन्ड.
Absolutely correct. All these people played James Bond.
शॉन कॉनरी वाटलाच मला जेम्स.
All these are James Bonds. And
ऍक्शन पट असेल असं वाटलं नव्हतं मला.
so, second question. Mitra Labh and Mitra Bhed are 2 of the 5 chapters of this work by Vishnu Sharma. विष्णू शर्मांच्या या पुस्तकातले मित्र लाभ आणि मित्र भेद हे 2 धडे आहेत. 5 पैकी 2 धडे आहेत.
What what you find in Panchatantra.
What is Panchatantra? I can
What is
accept
Panchatantra?
that as
Yes.
well. You get 10 for that.
Thank you.
Your final answer. Last answer. A naked winged boy with bow and arrows.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
What you find in Robin Hood?
No, he's not naked.
What
he's
you find in
winged.
Jungle Book?
No, he's not winged.
Mowgli.
And he's not having a bow and arrow.
Bow and arrow म्हणजे?
Bow and arrow, Dhanushya.
धनुष्यबाण. Robin Hood.
No, he's not naked. Nor is he winged. No idea?
एकलव्य.
How is Cupid, the god of love, depicted?
काय आहे गॉड ऑफ लव्ह?
Cupid, he is the Greek god of love.
ओ हा हा तो धनुष्यबाण गेला
Yes.
असतो. अरे माहिती होतंय.
So, that is the round 2 for you. Now let us have the second participant. Are you ready?
Yeah.
8,611 meters, making it second highest mountain in the world.
What is the height of Kanchenjunga?
No, what is the height of K2?
Yeah.
असंच
So you
सिली
don't get
मिस्टेक्स
it.
होत आहेत.
I think Kanchenjunga is in 7,000 range.
Kit.
Okay, this element was so named because Cyprus was the chief source of it.
What is Cyprosium?
Symposium. Symposium is not good. I was looking for what is copper. Copper, even if you would have said cuprum, I would have accepted it gladly. So, now you have the third answer. Govalia Tank Maidan, Mumbai.
What is the original name of Azad Maidan?
Azad Maidan or August Kranti Maidan? Yeah.
Yeah.
I could give you that. Rather, I was looking for where was the Quit India movement started.
Quit
where
India
Gandhiji
movement,
gave his
right.
famous Quit India
Chale
slogan.
jao.
But okay, I can accept that. So you also get 10 points for that. Now, let us have round 3 mixed bag. You will need your papers and pens for it. So do keep them at the ready.
Yes.
Okay, so now I will be asking you a question. Mixed bag means there is no definite, topic. So all kind of questions will be asked. There are 5 questions. Each question carries 10 points. So there are 50 points at stake. Now our participants will have to write the answers down on a piece of paper and show it to me once they are done writing. You will have exactly 15 seconds to write the answer. Once I say, you may start writing now. So, shall we begin?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, round 3, mixed bag. I will ask you the questions all at once. All at once means both the participants at the same time. Your first.
म्हणजे बजर वाजवायचं.
नाही, दोघांना मी एकसाथ विचारतोय.
बरं बरं बरं.
Which is the only member of cat family to live in groups called pride? मांजराच्या जातीतला असा एकमेव प्राणी कोणता आहे जो झुंड मध्ये राहतो आणि त्या झुंडला प्राईड म्हणतात इंग्लिश मध्ये. यू मे स्टार्ट रायटिंग नाउ. And time is up. We have tiger. We have lion. Lion is the right answer. Tigers
Lion is
do
not cat
live.
spe-
Lion is in cat species. Yes, yes. Tigers do not live in groups. So you get point for that. Second question. What are Edam and Camembert types of? Edam आणि Camembert हे कशाचे प्रकार आहेत? You may start writing your answers now.
इडाम आणि
EDAM, CAMEMBERT, camembert. 10 seconds are up. You might want to write the answer down very fast. 15 seconds up, pens up. We have nothing. We have fruit. No, these are cheeses.
चीज.
Yes, cheese.
वाव.
These are types of
इडाम
cheese.
केमेम्बर.
Yes.
स्विसला का स्विस चीज?
No, these are all types of cheese.
ओके ओके ओके.
Camembert, I recollect now. Idam, I do not know.
Yeah. In fact, Edam cheese often comes in a wax protecting. It has the red color like an
चीज
apple.
म्हणजे खायचं चीज ना?
पण खायचं चीज पण त्याला कव्हर असं वॅक्स मध्ये करतात.
Okay,
ते लाल
okay.
रंगाचं असतं आणि एकदम छान असं सफरचंदासारखं वाटतं.
जर्मनीला नव्हतं
आणि ते
का
आतूनही
आपल्याला
असं
दिसायला?
पिवळं कमी पांढरं जास्त
खाल्लंही असेल
असतं.
आपण.
आता आठवत
त्यामुळे
नाही.
कोणाला तरी
हो.
ते सफरचंदही वाटू शकतं ज्याला म्हणते. ओके,
Next.
नाउ द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. व्हॉट इज द मेन इंग्रेडियंट इन अ फिंगर बाउल? फिंगर बाउल मधला मेन घटक काय असतं? यू मे स्टार्ट रायटिंग युअर आन्सर्स नाउ. 15 seconds up, pens up. We have
लेमन वॉटर.
water and lemon. We have water. Both of you are correct. It was a trick question. A finger bowl only contains warm water. So both of you get
Yes.
points. Fourth question. In which capital city would you find the famous Temple of Emerald Buddha? कोणत्या देशाच्या राजधानीत तुम्हाला पन्ना
बुद्धाचं टेम्पल
हा
दिसतं.
हिरव्या एमेरल्ड म्हणजे हिरवा हिरा, एमेरल्ड बुद्धाचं मंदिर सापडेल? यू मे स्टार्ट रायटिंग.
देशाच्या राजधानीत. नाही तर देशाचं नाही, राजधानीचं नाव
हो.
द्यायचं आहे.
Fifteen seconds up, pens up, pens up. We have nothing. We have Bhutan. Bhutan is not the capital of any country. Both of you are wrong. I was looking for Bangkok.
बँकॉक. पण राजधानी काय?
Bangkok is the capital of Thailand.
हा, थायलंडची राजधानी बँकॉक.
So no one gets that
असं
right.
आहे ना,
हो हो हो
तो
हो.
पॅगोडा सारखा फोटो आहे ना त्यांचा.
तेच म्हटलं असंच
Now
काहीतरी
the
असणार.
final question for round 3 mixed bag. In the World War II, what was codenamed Operation Barbarossa? Operation Barbarossa म्हणजे काय होतं? वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 मध्ये कोणत्या ऑपरेशनला कोड नेम, गुप्त नाव दिलं होतं? ऑपरेशन बारबारोसा. यू मे स्टार्ट रायटिंग नाउ. Uh, 15 seconds of pens up. We have
Kill the Jews.
kill the Jews. We have attack USSR. Attack USSR is the right answer. But I cannot give you the points for that
Why?
because it is the German attack on USSR.
Then it is kill the Jews.
No, USSR सोवियत संघावरती जो हमला केला होता नाझी जर्मनीने.
अरे पण हे सेकंड
हो.
वॉर मधले ना, मग जूनलाच मारलं ना त्यांनी.
अगं सेकंड वर्ल्ड वॉर मध्ये काय झालं हे नाही लिहायचं आहे. सेकंड वर्ल्ड वॉर वरती जर पुस्तक लिहायला गेलं तर डिक्शनरी पेक्षा जाड पुस्तक लिहावं लागेल.
कोड वर्ड असणार की मारा जीवना असं. नाही का?
So that concludes the end of round 3 mixed bag. It was a rather hard round.
मग USSR ने तर उत्तर काय द्यायचं होतं त्याचं?
German attack on USSR
ओके. जर्मन.
or Nazi attack on USSR.
Nah,
Even if you
exactly.
just wrote German attack on Russia, I would have accepted it.
Arre.
So that concludes round 3 mixed bag. Now let us have a short commercial break. After that, we will be back with round 4, which is speed. So,
Yes.
guys, take a break.
जब घर की रौनक बढ़ानी हो, दीवारों को जब सजाना हो, नेरोलैक रंगों की दुनिया हर रंग में बेहतर आपके घर के पेंट के लिए नेरलैक पेंट्स। टिंग टॉन्ग, लालित्य क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट।
So now it was a gruesome battle in round 3. No one scored a round. Now let us have round 4 speed. Now in this round I will ask each participant 5 questions. You have 30 seconds to answer all 5 questions. You can take as much time as you want for one question, but I will keep on asking you questions only for 30 seconds. Once the 30 seconds are up, I do not care whether you have answered all your questions. So, it does not matter how...
Too less. It's too less.
Yeah, so it's speed.
And it's with
No.
pen paper. Okay.
And yes, you have to already tell, first of all, you have to tell me which language you would want your...
Marathi.
Marathi, okay. So, you have... One, sorry.
म्हणजे
It
20
is supposed-
सेकंदात उत्तर द्यायचं आहे.
I'm sorry, it is supposed not to be 30, it is supposed to be 40 seconds.
म्हणजे
Sorry.
40
40
सेकंदांमध्ये
seconds you
उत्तर
have to
द्यायचं.
answer 5 questions.
सेकंदात सगळ्या प्रश्नांची उत्तर.
If you don't answer all questions, I do not care.
हे ते वर्ड बनवायचं ते नाहीये ना?
No.
हा, ओके ओके.
Each question carries 5 points.
Shoot.
We will begin once the second hand is on 6.
Yes.
Oh, wait. Okay. So, let us start. कोणाला काका म्हणतात? राजेश खन्ना का शमी कपूर?
राजेश खन्ना.
ॲब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. तुझ्या कोणत्या दातांचं नाव हे हे कुत्र्यासारखं असतं? इंग्लिशमध्ये उत्तर दे.
दातांचं नाव कुत्र्यासारखं. डॉग टीथ.
नो. हिंदीमध्ये टर्मरिकला काय म्हणतात?
हल्दी.
ॲब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. कोणता 4 अक्षरी शब्द एका डोंगराचा पॉइंटेड टॉप शिखरसाठी वापरता येऊ शकतो?
4 अक्षरी
हो.
शब्द. टॉप ऑफ द माउंटन.
No, 40 seconds are up. It was supposed to be peak and you got 2 correct.
पीक. PEEK.
P-E-A-K.
PEAK. आणि ते
So-
डॉगचं दाताचं.
It was canine.
कॅनाईन. हा म्हणजे सुळे. कॅनाईन हे कुत्र्याला म्हणतात.
So you got 2 correct. No problem. Let us start with you. What do you want your language of instruction?
English.
English? Okay. We will start once the second hand is on 9. So we can start now. 1000 cubic centimeter is 1 liter. Serious or joking?
Serious.
Absolutely correct. Which country is the second largest producer of silk?
India.
Absolutely correct. What is the state tree of Kerala?
Coconut.
Absolutely correct. Which satellite orbited Earth first? Sputnik or Explorer 1?
Sputnik.
Absolutely correct. Who was the founder of Gupta Empire?
Chandragupta Maurya.
No. And you did it very fast. It was Shri Gupta. So you got 4 correct. That is a brilliant score. Now we have done round 4. It was a very interesting round. Now let us have round 5 vocabulary.
Okay.
I will ask you the question. The question itself will have the instruction on what to do. You have to do as you are directed and give me the answer. Make sure you have something around yourselves to bang. That will be your buzzer.
Yes.
So I will repeat. I will tell you the question. Repeat it once more in both the languages, and then I will give you 10 seconds to think on. Then I will say go, and you can answer.
Okay.
So shall we begin?
Shoot.
Rearrange the letters in the word goat. Goat, as in the animal, to get a Roman costume. गोट या शब्दातले अक्षर बदलून एक रोमन कॉस्ट्युमचं नाव सांगा. यू मे स्टार्ट थिंकिंग. Ten seconds are go.
Toga.
Absolutely correct. And by the way, each question carries 10 points if you don't know. Rearrange the letters in the word care. Care. To गेट अ युनिट ऑफ मेजरमेंट. केअर या शब्दातले अक्षर बदलून एक मोजता येण्यासारखं म्हणजे सेकंड आर असं काहीतरी युनिट बनवा. यू मे स्टार्ट थिंकिंग.